What is it, Icky? What is it? What is that? What is it? What is it? Digo, what is that? Get it. Get it. What is that? Oh, you hurt me. Stop hurting me. What is this? Mom, I won't chase his tail. There he goes.
Real nice thing you're doing for your sister. I know it's not easy for you. Honey, I'm proud of you.
What is it, Icky?
Easy for me.
Here you go. What's this? What's this?
Reaching for a cookie. You're not gonna look at it. You know, honey, sometimes how you can just eat. Still have this big empty space inside of you. It's like you just can't see each other.
Well, I'm working on it. Please talk to Mom more.
I'm not talking about you, Tamara. I'm thinking about Tia. That's how she must feel. Hungry.
I'm not surprised. I ate her dinner.
Tamara, not food hungry.